Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Always stay happy. So first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel Modern Decor. I am requesting you please watch the video fully from start to end to get amazing and fabulous and stunning ideas for your home decoration. So in this video, I will show you outdoor furniture ideas for your home decoration. I am providing you stunning, unique and outstanding ideas for your home decoration. So watch this video till end. These designs are outstanding and unique. So if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below for new latest designs and ideas. I will bring you many more ideas for your home decoration. These designs will surely impress you by their unique quality. Simple, unique and definitely awesome example you can choose to decorate your home. So if you love this video, share it with your friends and lovely family members. And please do like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new latest designs and ideas. I will be back soon with a new interesting video. Allah Hafiz.